I don't know what's going. Okay, we're live. I don't know what's going on with my computer, but it's seriously just like
Slow.
snail pace right now. It's terrible.
Yeah, that's
But
usually when I clean mine up, so.
yeah, that's what I really need to do is just clear out a bunch of stuff that doesn't need to be on there anymore.
Alright, just one sec.
Okay, so this week we have the collect and describe the data submission also, right?
Mhm.
I guess we can talk about that a little bit after the meeting if
Yeah.
you want. Okay, let me pull everything up still. Sorry, this is taking me a million years.
No, you get, like I said, when my husband comes home, I'll have to hop off or stuff to switch it off. But, yeah. Okay.
Is he normally in bed? Is that why we've never heard him before?
No, he usually goes to bed about 7:30, and
Oh,
so
okay. That's why. We are meeting earlier than we normally are.
well, we tried at least.
Yeah, well, stupid computer.
I think I hear my husband. I'm gonna hop off for a second. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay.
Whoa, did you open the quiz yet?
Okay.
Did you open the quiz yet?
I'm about to.
Okay, it's only 10 questions.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Mine's being slow too. Give it a second.
Okay.
All right. Okay. I know, and like two of the questions are freebies, so.
Woohoo.
All right, number 3. When calculating correlation coefficients to the textbook. I'm trying to remember where that was in the book.
Yeah, my computer is frozen, so I'm working on it.
Yep, okay, I need to switch this. Let's see. The correlation coefficient measures the. It says measures. Is that what they mean by quantify? So something different.
Correlation coefficient.
It says measures the strength of the linear relationship between two variables. But that doesn't really. It does not give the strength of a nonlinear.
So it says to measure the direction and the strength of a linear association between two variables. So
that'd be
it would
the
be
third one.
the third one, yeah.
If the correlation coefficient. There.
It tends to. I think it tends to decrease.
Are you seeing that in the book somewhere, out of curiosity? Or
Yeah.
where at?
So it's 2.1.3.
2.1. Okay,
It's
I was
like
just trying to find it.
that's like the section in the book.
Yeah.
It's like the very last paragraph. I'm pretty sure it's saying that.
When an increase in one is associated with a decrease, we see that there's a negative association between two variables. Because it says above that, when a positive association exists, the correlation coefficient will be positive. So if a correlation coefficient is negative, when one variable increases,
Because that's what it says. When one increases,
is associated with a decrease.
the other. Yeah, so it's the first one.
So I read this yesterday. That's not helpful.
The effect of outliers on correlation coefficient is not significant. I'm pretty sure it is.
Oh.
I'm also fairly certain it's false. I was just trying to find it in the textbook, but
Yeah, outliers. An outlier is any point that is very far from the others. Doesn't tell me if that affects it.
I think it's false.
I think so too. If not, well. Alright, for the next two questions, take the Old Faithful. No, I gotta open up my other Excel thing.
It might take me a minute to open this.
No, you're good. Alright, I gotta open the other Excel thing. We're still doing the, is it still categorical?
Yes.
Okay. Oop. Which one are we putting it in now? So which test are we putting it in?
Sorry, I'm still trying to pull it up.
No, you're good. Just want to make sure I put it in the right one.
Sorry, I'm almost there. The categorical data is opening right now.
Yeah.
I'm trying to remember how we do it. Okay, so
I know they use the scatter plots and stuff.
right. I think it would be a chi-square.
Well, I'm in the textbook and it says Excel. Oh, it's to make a scatter plot. That's why it's quantitative. But that doesn't help us with correlation coefficient. So if we use chi-square, what number would be the correlation coefficient?
That's a really good question.
Because I feel like it's almost just two columns. Excuse me. Excuse me. It's just two columns of numbers. So I feel like it would almost be like a two proportions, but then I still don't know what we're looking for.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to see. Let's make a scatter plot. Mhm. Because we're doing Old Faithful,
Oh, you know
which is in the
what?
book.
It's not the one. It's a different one. It's not categorical. It's quantitative inference procedures.
Okay, let me pull that one up. Quantitative. So that
And it's the linear regression.
Okay. So let's try this out. All right. So then X and Y, is X just duration and Y is weight?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Okay, and then Y. Okay. So, well, that's nice. It just makes a nice little scatter plot for you. All right, so we're trying to find the correlation coefficient.
Which is R.
R. Okay, so that shows I have 0.901.
0.01. Yep, that's what I have.
What is the direction and strength between weight and duration? It looks like it kind of correlates, but not like in a super clear way. So. Direction. Strength. Yeah, because we did duration first. So, I don't remember positive and negative. So they're positive, but I don't know if it's strong or weak. Cause
I know, I'm trying to figure that out as well. If R corresponds to a
because they're going up to the right, so that means it's positive.
I think it's weak.
Just because it's not like a clearer line.
Well, so I just read something that said if the number is closer, then it's weaker.
If the number is what?
If the number is closer to 0, then it's weaker. But I guess 0.9 would be closer to 1 than closer to 0.
I think so. Yeah.
Well, no.
Or are we thinking old term?
Yeah, it would be closer to 1. So it would be strong. I think it'd be positive and strong.
Alright, we'll try that out. If not, then we'll have to just figure out. Match the scatter plot with the correlation coefficient. Okay. So, oh geez, okay.
They had a bunch of these in the textbook.
Yeah.
I'm going to try and compare.
Well, I know it's positive if it goes to the right. It's negative. It goes the other way. And then number 3 is just all over the place.
Mm-hmm. So 1 is a straight line. So it would be 1.
4? Oh, no, wait.
So the positive 1 will be 1.
Okay, so yeah. So 1 is r equals 1. And
The
then 4.
1 will be 4.
Okay. And then 0, is that the one that's just all over the place?
Yes.
So 3?
Yes.
Okay, and then I want to say.
So 5, I'm pretty sure, is negative 9.5.
So then.
And then.
No, not 4, 5. So then positive 9.5 would be 2.
Yeah. So then we just have 1, 2, 3,
So is that just
6.
6? We'll see how that goes. Okay. Alright,
Oh,
so
my computer froze. Come on, we're almost done.
the next one is just pulling up another Excel. So let me get out of both people. Okay. Compute the correlation coefficient. Okay, so then. Oops, no. Okay.
Okay, finally.
So how do you do that when? Oh, okay, I was getting confused. I was like, am I supposed to list that the gender is female? And then I was like, there's another number.
So wait, how do we do this?
Do we mark female and male?
Huh?
Do we mark female and male?
Let me.
Cause like.
I don't know.
Because I feel like.
Well,
We're
no,
still
because
just
it's
doing the
compute
two.
the correlation coefficient of score and confidence. So gender doesn't matter.
Okay, that's what I was thinking. Because it just wants. Okay. I think ANOVA is the only. Or is that it? ANOVA the one where you have to do all that fun stuff. Okay. Response variable 1. And then for R, when you're ready.
Okay, yeah, I'm almost there. Sorry.
I'm
just having to delete a bunch of these.
Yeah, the fastest way for me is just Control Shift down, and then you can just delete the whole column.
Whoa. Okay, you might just go ahead and tell me because my computer is not having this right now.
I got 0.728.
Okay. Sorry, my computer is literally just not going to let it happen.
All right, so then
728. So that would be
it's the
one.
little scatter plot thing is going up to the right. I mean, it's kind of lumpy and stuff, but it is going to the right. So I think it's positive still.
Yeah, I think it's positive and I think it's positive and strong.
Alright.
I can go ahead and submit and see how we did.
Okay.
It might take me a split minute, but oh, we got 100.
Woo!
Nice. That's really
Yeah.
exciting.
All right, so then
I'll go ahead and stop broadcasting.